Gourmet cooking class at a luxury resort, Culinary Masterclass. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an extraordinary experience to share with you. We recently had the opportunity to attend a gourmet cooking class at a luxurious resort, and we can't wait to take you on this culinary journey. Dropshipping is a business model where you can sell products online without stocking inventory. Instead, you partner with a supplier who handles the storage, packaging, and shipping of the products directly to your customers. It's a low-risk and cost-effective way to start an e-commerce business. First, you need to set up an online store. In a similar way, the Culinary Masterclass experience began with setting up our cooking stations. Each one of us was given a well-equipped cooking area, complete with all the tools and ingredients we needed. The anticipation in the room was palpable as we were about to embark on this culinary adventure. Choose a niche that interests you, and select products from reliable suppliers. In our case, the resort had chosen a French gourmet theme for the day. We were going to learn how to prepare a 3-course French meal, which included a classic coq au vin, a rich ratatouille, and a decadent chocolate soufflé for dessert. Build your website using user-friendly e-commerce platforms like Shopify, which make it easy to showcase your products and process orders. Similarly, our chef, an experienced culinary expert, began by explaining the basics of French cuisine and the importance of fresh, high-quality ingredients. The key, he said, was to let the ingredients shine, and the techniques we would learn would help us do just that. Now, let's move on to marketing your dropshipping store. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to create compelling content that attracts potential customers. At our Culinary Masterclass, our chef emphasized the importance of presentation. He demonstrated the art of plating, showing us how to make each dish not only delicious but also visually stunning. Utilize effective marketing strategies such as influencer collaborations, targeted ads, and SEO optimization to drive traffic to your store. In our case, the marketing came naturally as we couldn't resist sharing our progress on social media. The resort's stunning backdrop and the delicious aromas in the air were too enticing not to capture and share. As your business grows, it's crucial to analyze your sales data and customer behavior. Use analytics tools to understand what's working and what isn't. Adjust your marketing strategies and product offerings accordingly to maximize your profits and customer satisfaction. Similarly, during our cooking class, we received immediate feedback from the chef, who helped us refine our techniques. It was a great opportunity to learn and adapt. One of the most attractive aspects of dropshipping is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, allowing you to live a location-independent lifestyle. Our Culinary Masterclass was a prime example of this. We were at a stunning luxury resort, honing our culinary skills, and savoring the fruits of our labor. Many people have already achieved tremendous success through dropshipping. With hard work, dedication, and continuous learning, you too can make money online in 2023 by starting a dropshipping business. The same holds true for the culinary world. With the right guidance and a passion for food, you can create exquisite dishes that will leave a lasting impression. So, what are you waiting for? Start your dropshipping journey today, or perhaps sign up for a gourmet cooking class at a luxury resort like the one we enjoyed. Unlock the potential of making money online and mastering the art of cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time.